Hi, welcome to Axel Learning's Smart Math Challenge series. In this series, we will explore challenging math questions and see if we can beat the clock and get the answer in under 10 seconds. First, we will introduce the problem of the day. Next, we'll try to solve the problem using the standard method, also known as the boring method. Then, we will explore AI responses like ChatGPT and Google's Gemini to see how they can solve these questions. And lastly, we'll show you a faster and smarter way to solve the problem without the use of an AI or a calculator. Stay tuned till the end to see how we can solve this problem in less than 10 seconds. So, here's the problem. How much will $12,000 amount to in 2 years at compound interest if the rates for the 2 years are 5% and 7% per annum? A. $12,662. B. $15,248. C. $14,336. D. $13,884. E. $13,482. Let's see how most people solve this kind of problem, the boring method. Here's the same question. Pause the video now to see if you want to solve it first before we do. So, the standard method. Original principal is $12,000. Principal after first year equals 12,000 times 1.05 equals $12,600. Principal after second year equals 12,600 times 1.07 equals $13,482. Therefore, the answer is letter E, and the estimated time to arrive at the answer is 60 seconds. Now, for the fun part, let's see if AI is smart enough to solve this correctly. We'll first start with ChatGPT and then we'll do the same with Google's Gemini. Here we are in ChatGPT using the latest ChatGPT 4. Let's paste the question and see. Remember, our answer was option E, 13,482. Let's see how ChatGPT solves the problem. Alright, it gave us the correct answer, option E, $13,482. That was quick! Now let's try this on Google Gemini. We'll paste the same question and see. Again, remember the answer was option E. Now let's see how Gemini solves this problem. Alright, it also gave us the answer quickly and correctly. The answer is letter E, $13,482. As I had promised, let's see the fastest and smartest way to solve this question without the use of an AI or a calculator. Here's the same question. Pause the video now to see if you have a faster and smarter way to solve this question and beat the clock. So, here's the smart way. Again, the answer is option E. 105 times 107 equals 11,235. Using mental math technique discussed in multiplication shortcuts. Now, 12,000 times 1.1235 is approximately equal to a 12% increase in 12,000. That is, 12,000 times 12 divided by 100 equals 1,440. Hence, the new principal equals 12,000 plus 1,440. which is equal to 13,440. However, this is an approximate answer. The real answer will be slightly greater than 13,440 since 1.1235 is greater than 1.12. Thus, looking at the options, the answer is 13,482, which is option B. Estimated time to arrive at the answer is 10 seconds. Drop in a comment to share if you have an even better and faster way to solve this question. Like and subscribe to this channel for more such videos or visit us at www.axellearning.com. Thank you and stay tuned for the next one.